Okay, let's dive into the secret sounds hidden inside every single note you hear. Yeah, those are called harmonics, and honestly, they're one of music's coolest effects.
And these aren't just random sounds, they're pure physics, all based on a vibrating string. So a single note is actually a whole chorus of sounds. We just hear the lowest one, the fundamental.
And what's wild is that these harmonics follow a really predictable mathematical pattern.
Think of nodes as secret pressure points. If you know where to find them, you can unlock these sounds. And here's where you find them. That halfway point, the 12th fret, gives you the strongest harmonic. Right, you're not actually fretting the note, just lightly touching it to let that hidden sound sing.
So, musicians have two main ways of doing this: natural and artificial harmonics.
Okay, so the big difference, it's all about whether you start with an open string or a fretted note. Playing a natural harmonic is super simple. It's just a light touch that lets the note ring out. Artificial harmonics, though, are trickier. You're basically creating a whole new instrument on the fretboard. And this technique lets you create a harmonic from any note, not just the open strings. It all comes down to the unique recipe of harmonics that each instrument makes. I love this analogy. The main note is your base ingredient, but the harmonics, that's all the flavor.
And that's timbre. It's literally what makes a trumpet sound like a trumpet and not a flute.
So the instrument's shape and what it's made of creates its unique sonic fingerprint. Yeah, composers have a special secret language in sheet music to ask for these exact sounds. On the left, you've got natural harmonics. On the right, those diamond notes mean play an artificial one. And it's not just for guitars. You'll find harmonics used by musicians all across the orchestra. Seriously, from delicate classical tunes to screaming rock solos, harmonics are everywhere. So this hidden world of sound is in every single note. Now that you know, what will you listen for?